Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change directory on a terminal on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer to be able to use the terminal Unix window command prompt by executing commands to control the whole computer. So we can now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, search for the application terminal, which should be built into the Mac. If not, you'd have to download. However, it will always be available. Let's just click on terminal. Let's now increase the size of the terminal window itself. Command plus a couple of times. Let's just go full screen if we need to. Let me just clear everything on screen. Let's now navigate to a new folder. All these commands that I'm using will be explained in the near future. In this tutorial, we are focusing primarily on changing directories. So if I now change directory to, let's say, music, cd, mu, click on tab to autofill, enter, ls-l. Now we are in the music folder itself. So now go back to the original directory that we were in before we started to execute these commands. Let's just cd, and there you go. We can list if we're required to, just to check where we are, and we are back where we started. So we can now quit terminal. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.